4 and 5. Okay. Does that work better for you? So a lot of heavy rust on it. So if James want to move someone down myself, I would probably use the sand or not first. Someone want to move on the hit because if there's a lot of rust on the wall. Frame mount. Are you guys not working on frame? Yeah, but we need to take it outside. It's going to be sandblasted outside. It's going to be sandblasted? Yeah. Hi, welcome back to the Ontario Regiment Museum. It's Rich Bennett again with the Panzer III restoration. Here's your next update. We're putting track together, getting ready to reinstall the track on the Panzer III. Each of these track segments is one small one. You can see it's got a hole in the side, 2 holes where the track joins up. And what we're going to be doing is putting track segments together. So the interleave, like so, we have to put a pin through it. And then we got to pin that pin together so that it keeps it in. Now what you can see is Brendan Dance is over there putting a section of track together. We've got them aligned in sections of 6 track. It's a little bit easier to work with. And once we get those 6 pieces put together, we'll be sliding it forward in to meet the first road wheel here. And then we'll build our track from there forward on both sides. Once the track's built enough, we're going to be able to pull the vehicle forward onto the track and then use the sprockets to pull the remainder of the track over top of the sprocket and over top of the guide rollers, where it'll eventually connect right here at the back idler. And we'll be joining it right down here. So hopefully in our next update, you'll see pretty much a completed Panzer track back on the vehicle and ready for service. If you're interested in seeing more videos with the Panzer III restoration or other vehicles that we currently have being restored or in service, please come visit us at tankmuseum.ca or come see us on our Facebook page. It's the Ontario Regiment Museum. I hope to see you again. Have a nice day.